Hello, people of the zone. This is us, the Bratans, the Gopniks, or whatever you want to call us. You see this pretty little loner here who is half naked and has two guns pointed to his head. So you would think yourself, why would he be in that position? Huh? That is the fate of the people and loners who betray us behind our backs. Huh? This one in particular, he had a bandit patch in his fucking pockets. He was killing one of our Bratans, stealing his shoes, stealing his pants, poaching around this fucking zone. He doesn't care about us. He doesn't care about any of you. He just wants money.
Because
And he
you're all
wants
fucking
my Bratans
worms.
dead. You know what we do to people like him? We want to set an
Fucking
example to
loner
the
traitors,
loners
you're
of the
worthless!
zone. I want to set an example.
Завертит мной прошлогодний